Hey guys, it's Christian from Kristianne'S Crafty Adventures. I'm back with a Tuesday morning haul. I just want to share with you the goodies that I got from Tuesday morning, our favorite place. I'm going to start with these baking cups. Very cute colors. It has 36 and it's great quality. It's thick and I plan to make rosettes with these. I'll make a tutorial about it. So I got this color too. It looks very similar. And then this one is super cute. And then I got a small one. So cute. Tuesday morning. And then next one I got a little bit late in the French scissors, but I finally found it. I'm excited to use that. I found a Vicky Bouton watercolor set. Looks like very beautiful colors we have in here. Next, this one is a box card set. It's a pick-me-up collection from Paige Evans. And this is what you get. Beautiful, beautiful quality. Love them. And incidentally, I saw this is the only thing I can find from pick-me-up on Tuesday morning, but they're so beautiful. I wish they had it in a 12 by 12. Still gorgeous. Beautiful paper. I tried the French scissors in this one. This one I'm not sure how I feel about, but this is beautiful. I love the colors. Beautiful colors. Gold foiled. I love Paige Evans style. Watermelon. Blue. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it. Butterflies. Ombre. Oh, look how pretty. So pretty. And gold foil, and then it repeats. So that is Pick Me Up by Paige Evans. Hopefully I can find other items from that collection. Next we're gonna go check out the Chanel sticker. This is from an older collection that I still have in my stash. I wanted to pick that up. And this is a new sticker book from American Crafts. It has 1,302 stickers. So I'm just gonna go through. I think it's beautiful. Look how pretty. Lots of beautiful elements in there that makes it worth it for $6.99. This is my second Maggie Holmes, but I'm almost done with it. So I got another one for my stash. Who does not love Maggie Holmes? Here's an Amy Tan collection. I saw that she featured this during the scrap convention and I wanted to get myself some of this because it has beautiful elements in there. And you can watercolor that or color it with Copics. Very cute. Very cute. My favorite is a coffee cup. There's a coffee cup in here. That's my favorite. This says Feeling Good from this one. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Next I got the Maggie Holmes Gather collection. I'm just going to do a quick flip through. Lots of you guys have seen this before. Beautiful. As always. Beautiful. We expect from Maggie Holmes. It's always awesome. Next one is Carousel. I'm going to do a quick flip through. They don't have embellishments in my Tuesday morning. So I'm going to be patient and just wait. I played with the Bloom collection and I'll show you in the next video what I did because I normally never been able to get some embellishments from her collection, so I just made my own. So this is additional for my stash because I used a lot of it to make embellishments. I'm excited to feature that in one of my future videos. Another favorite of mine is Miss Jen Hadfield. Love her. Oh, butterflies, yes please. Thank you very much. Oh, pretty. I think I'm gonna be good for years with all this haul. Finally the Flourish. I was able to find some Flourish, like the 6x8. I think from Joann's, but I was lucky enough to find it in Tuesday morning. Just this is all I found. And I met somebody Tuesday morning. Hi, Riza! And I'm so excited to meet somebody crafty. Tuesday morning. Next is just some plain stickers. I love this for Project Life. This is my favorite. And Personal Life from Handmade Cards. This one is a little bit boring, but it is 110. It's super heavy. I think it's 80 pounds, but it feels thicker. Heavy weight cardstock. I got the black and the craft for $1.99. It's a great deal. And then the Hooray collection by My Mind's Eye. This is cute. I also found the washi tape for Hooray. So let's see what it has in there. Flip through. Very cute colors. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for anything birthday related. So cute. Lots of birthday elements in there. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's for Hooray collection. So I hope you had a great time watching my haul video. Go to your Tuesday morning and grab some of this stuff. I'm looking forward to making more products and showing you what I made with these products. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you had a wonderful time. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye! See you next time!